Hopefully it won't slip off the bars a bit, the grip of this. Nowhere near. About 30 miles away. This is near Gatwick Airport. pretty much halfway between London and Brighton. Yes, it is always raining in Britain. Even in the summer. So I think it could be. Yeah, this sucks. Lightning! Get ready for the boom! There was lightning but no rumble. Weird. Sheet lightning, I guess. do this every day, so if you follow me you'll see more of this. If you're wondering what I'm using, it's an iPhone 5S. I'm using a Topic waterproof bag. Came with an attachment. Only cost about 20 quid. Thanks for watching everyone, it's really cool. I'm still going, don't worry. This looks dense. Actually, I'm going to go to Three Bridges and show you what it's like there, how it floods. Three Bridges train station. There's a bridge, and underneath it gets totally waterlogged no matter what they do every time. Terrible weather. Stay tuned right now. I'm about to go through some serious shit. You're about to see some serious shit. As in, sorry if there's any kids watching, but pretty much everyone knows swears and now YouTube has swearing all over it, so who cares? Hope you got my reference, Back to the Future. Actually around this time 30 years ago, this year, that Back to the Future was released in cinemas. Little bit of trivia there. Nice bit of brunch. And I didn't put my feet down then, I went straight through that turning gap. Send me some more hearts, people. This rain is getting hard. It's painful. I need hearts. Send me some love. Thank you. Ow. It's getting like hailstones. Ow. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's hailstones. We've got hail, ladies and gentlemen. Beating my body. Ah. Now for the big one. It's going to be a big puddle here. Let's go for it. Are you ready? Ah, not so bad today. I'm going to try the other side. Woo! Come on, let's go. I know I shouldn't do this U-turn, but what the hell. Nothing there. That's that really. Nothing big. Oh well. Well, I missed that. Keep riding. I'm going to keep riding, don't you worry. Keep on riding. Keep on rolling. Ow! This is painful. I missed that. Say that again, please. Poor guy. I'm enjoying it. I'm in waterproofs using Gore-Tex. It's great. Big up the Gore-Tex. If you ever want waterproof clothes that you can rely on, get the Gore-Tex, man. It's awesome. Read that again. Ah, I missed that again. I can't read your stuff. I'll have to read it all on replay. But I'll follow you anyway, so don't worry. Nice, my friend's in a waterproof case made by Topi. There's some lightning, the double strike. Don't know where it was. As you can see, we have a river. Oh, so there's the thunder. So that must be about 5 miles away. I'm only 5 miles away from being struck by lightning. Woohoo! This is really hard rain. I can feel it through my clothes. Feels like pins and needles. It's amazing. Go into the drive-through. Yeah. There's no drive-through here for about 5 miles. If you need the direction, there's a Kentucky Fried Chicken drive-through in Gatwick Airport. And in Crawley, there's a drive-through. In Crawley. West Street. You probably don't know where that is. Here's a bit that floods in HD all the time. I'm going to show you. Look at this, man. Really see that. Well, I hope you can see it properly anyway. Next person. This is a river. I'm riding through a river. Riding through the river. Yes, I like music. Woo, thank you. Someone doing some sort of tree chopping. Oh, lightning right above me. Wonderful. Woohoo! My battery is running out, so I don't have a lot longer to use this. I'm nearly where I need to be anyway. But I thought I could take a detour for you guys. Here's a little stream. It's really rushing down the drain. Couldn't read that, faded out, sorry. So hard for me to read. The text is so tiny from where I'm sitting, and the rain on top of the screen. Plus the screen is cracked, so very hard to read, I'm afraid. But I can read it on replay, that's fine. Heavier again. That was a huge puddle I didn't see. Now my shoes are swimming pools. Now leaving Crawley. There I am. Wow, this water's really everywhere. I'm not going down the side of the road here because there's too much water. Okay, now's the time to write me some stuff. Whoa, whoa, okay, wow. Yeah, write me something now so I can read it. I can read it now. I'll give you like about a minute, 30 seconds or something so I can read it. So yeah, get going and start typing now. That was awesome. Oh, thank you. Every ride I do is awesome. Yesterday I broke 3 Strava records. I was well happy. I was doing Strava while doing this. It's brilliant. So I've recorded it actually happening. Be safe, yeah. I'm tough. Yeah, 7 years. It's great. I love it. I love doing this stuff. I live for this. There we go. Don't know if that's any better. Can't see a thing now. There you go. Keep scoping. I shall. This is a garden centre. Here we go. Look, looks dreadful. Yeah, well, you know, welcome to Crawley. Haha. Crawley and Wyville Garden Centre. Yeah, it's not a great day for gardening, I must say. Not the best day to go gardening or shopping for gardening. Yet, look how many people there are. Maybe they're all looking for some lunch in the cafe. Anyone else want to say anything? Anyone? Speak now. I'm about to start moving again. Invite your mates into this as well so they can watch. Give me some hearts. Are you ready to go? Give me some hearts if you're ready to go again. Give me some hearts if you're ready to go again. Come on. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's go. Thank you. Let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. I couldn't beat that side, dude. Okay, I'm going to have to go to the battery's about to die. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, there'll be more like this. Bye. No way we could do this in Texas. Thanks a lot, bye. Thanks for the hearts. See you everybody.